ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Haka khat khandai tarik mentau nailur arajar arpulai. Ka Ïing ka bari bat sumar yaki temen ki kro kabala ai kerteng ka Kripa Victoria Old Age Home. Kabala seng dai kong Victoria Waklang. Kala Kynjoh si Snem tik nado bala ple ya ka da jingtmu ban pej bat sumar Khlem Jingsiew ya ki riu temen kentai. Ki bam dan khon lani ki baki khon bat ki Ïing kim kot bor shu ban ri ya ki na ki babon ki dau. Ban pen ngiu ya kani ka lengko Snem ka banengkong jong kani ka Ïing ka badon ha umroi nongsder Ribhoi district. La rakhi kerpang ru ya kani ka sngi da ka ba penlong ya ka jingyalang balengkot. Ha ka balai don lang uway na ki head officer sorkar ubala long teng ru u DC ka East Khasi Hills district uba Peter S. Dekar IAS kumukong san. Rengkat ka director jong katanat social welfare ka jela ikong CD Lengwa. U Chief Medical Officer jongka AMDDAE jongka Sorkar Pedeng u Dr. Biplab Chatterjee kinong penya jongka ni ka Ïing bat ki wei de ki bala syakhot ngobha. Hagani ka rensan nalor ki jingruai na ki kenhon baper la sakhiru ya ka Jingsiew menta shirhem jongki Meiied bat Meikha ki basa hagani ka Ïing.
His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face towards you and give you peace. The Lord bless you and keep you. Make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face towards you and give you peace. All around you and within you, he spread you, in the morning, in the evening, in the coming and your going, in your weeping and rejoicing. He is for you, he is for you, he is for you.
Didn't have much to say, but as I said, it is just a feeling to be part of this gathering, number one. The feeling that a sense of compassion, a sense of godliness is around, a sense of oneness, a sense of giving a helping hand to others. This is what I could feel or we could breathe when we are here in this place today. So on that note, I feel that whoever are here, including myself, we also feel that we, by being here or by being part of this journey of the family and who have tried their best to start this kind of a center, it is something which is not human in nature alone, you can say, but it's something which has come from behind to help them, to guide them, so that they can make this beautiful place here, and especially for the oldies, so that they can come and stay here. Now, much has been done, I hope, in this place. Much has been thought about it in the first place. And for that reason, I think Sherat and his mother and others probably must have come out with that idea, let us have this place. It's something which we used to think about, a place like which Dr. Chatterjee also said that in a place like Shillong or Meghalaya or here in the Khasi community, we never thought of dreaming to have a place like this one, because it was not there in the past. But for some reason, as we go along and see the changes around, we have come across some other kind of, difficulties, I must say, challenges, that we need a place like this one. And this is what all of them must have thought together to set up this place. So this is a blessing for all those who are in need, as I said, of a helping hand, who are in need of grace, who are in need of compassion, who are in need of big help, when there's no one else, or maybe others have no time for them. Maybe this place has a time, all the time for them to take care of them. So this is an occasion that we all like to remember, and I hope that days to come, this place will grow from strength to strength, add more people if necessary, and to see that whoever touch their feet in this place will have the solace in their life, the compassion in their life, the satisfaction that they have reached a place where they deserve to reach. So I must also say that with all the good intentions of the family to start this place along with the Kripa Foundation, it is, as I said, a blessing again to all those. And at the same time, we are here, all of us who are here, who have come, maybe as friends, invitees. We have come with that good intention that we will give all of them, all those, the organizers, the family, a helping hand, give them that strength so that they can do much, much better. And we know very well that a lot of things are happening these days around. When we talk of so many issues, vices, abuses around. So we need to have this kind of shelter. We need to have this kind of center for those who need them. And I look forward that with their good heart, good intention, we are here to give them that kind of inspiration, a kind of encouragement, that probably whatever they can do, it is all for a good cause. And for that, I think the good intention is to see that no one is left behind, no one is not taken care of, but they are here, they get the good care, and all of them, especially the old ones who came here to dance, when I look at their faces, I could realize that they are all happy. Most probably they are happy because the way they come forward, the way they are here, it shows that the good care, the good helping hand that are given to them, give them that joy, that satisfaction, and especially in their old age. I don't have much to say, but my best wishes once again to Kong Victoria for starting this senior citizen home, to Shirat, the son. I know him well because he used to come to me those days for this walk, that walk. But I used to think why he spent all his days for this kind of work. But I know that he is such a person with a big heart who doesn't care about anything but giving his two hands to help others. So this is something which none of us, many people do not have that kind of courage to come forward to do that. But he has done it, and he must have got the blessing of his own mother and all the family members together, and to come forward jointly to do with the Kripa Foundation and start this one center like this and many other centers. So I give my best wishes to them, and as I said, looking forward that the center will grow strength and get more strength to do better and better, and especially all those workers who are working here. For them also, it's like, I think sister who's sitting here with me will understand that it's a kind of a missionary zeal to come out, to work together. With all the difficulties, it's something which very few people will be able to do that. So I wish all of them also the kind of good spirit to do better, and to all those who have come forward and share their thoughts, their minds, the energy to start this kind of center or many other places of this kind. I also give my best wishes to all those team who have come forward on stage who have give contributed through their items, dance, songs, especially to the grannies who are here. I'll just speak a few lines in Khasi before I sit down. Namata jumpi ki longkme ki lahel asam ki badan hangne ngai kublei kerpang ipi nakatakaw mangi bedan lang hangne ngiwan hangne ban. I will say ipi ba kani ka Ïing ka ba pipisa kani ka Ïing ka ba ai pi jinkmen ka jingsuk nakatukor kom ba pi ya wan hangne ban ya shat ban ruai ka panpawi ka jingsuk tenat ka jinkmen ka jumpi kamilinti ba kipor ke benang wan ki Snem benang wan pinang yo shushu ke jingkot ke jingkhia pinang la ban sukmen ke mensim da ba shong badan kan ke Ïing bat pin yo ke jitengen rukum jo ke jingkot ke jingkhia bat ke jingpe jingkhmi jong kinong pet kinong penia jong ke jaka pinang yo shu ke jingkmen ha ke mensim khamtam ba ha pa pisa pishong ha ke Ïing tengai kublei kerpang epi badang shong suk shong san ha ke jaka tang ba ke ke ba pio nang ne kan IP ke jingkemen ka ba sikat dai he ha ke jing bu jumpi